Hey there, it's time to boost your confidence with ChatGPT. Let's start with tip number 1, practice positive self-talk. Instead of criticizing yourself, try affirming statements like I am capable or I am worthy. ChatGPT can even suggest personalized affirmations to help boost your self-esteem. Now on to tip number 2, set small achievable goals. By breaking down big tasks into smaller ones, you can build confidence with each accomplishment. ChatGPT can help you create a plan to reach your goals step by step. So there you have it, ChatGPT is here to support you on your journey to self-confidence. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Uplifting ending sentence: believe in yourself and let ChatGPT guide you to a more confident you.
Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is mastering self-discipline? Let's dive into it. AI is proving to be a master of self-discipline in various ways. First, AI has the incredible ability to stay focused on a task for an extended period of time without distractions. This level of concentration allows AI to process vast amounts of data and make decisions quickly and efficiently. Secondly, AI has the unique capacity to learn from its mistakes and improve its performance over time. By analyzing past outcomes and adjusting its algorithms, AI can continuously optimize its decision-making process, leading to better results in the future. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is showing us how self-discipline can lead to remarkable achievements. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, we can learn valuable lessons in discipline and perseverance. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of AI. Remember, the future is bright when we embrace the power of self-discipline. Watch now to see AI in action.
Hey everyone, it's great to see you again. Today, I want to talk about how you can boost your confidence with ChatGPT and share some tips for consistent improvement. One way to boost your confidence is by using ChatGPT to generate positive affirmations. By feeding it with phrases like I am capable, I am worthy, and I believe in myself, you can receive personalized affirmations that will help build your self-esteem. Another tip for consistent improvement is to engage in daily self-reflection. ChatGPT can assist you in this process by asking you thought-provoking questions like what are you grateful for today? Or what accomplishments are you proud of? By taking the time to reflect on your strengths and accomplishments, you can boost your confidence and motivation. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. With ChatGPT as your trusty companion, you can continue to improve and grow each day. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your confidence soar. Uplifting ending sentence: believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to talk about how confidence can impact the success of your blockchain ventures. Confidence plays a crucial role in the world of blockchain. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're more likely to take risks and make bold decisions. This can lead to innovative solutions and groundbreaking developments in the blockchain space. Main story point 1. Confidence can also help you navigate the challenges and obstacles that come with working in blockchain. With a strong sense of self-assurance, you're better equipped to handle setbacks and failures, and to learn from them as you move forward. Main story point 2. Additionally, confidence can inspire trust and credibility in your work. When you exude confidence in your projects and ideas, others are more likely to believe in your vision and support your initiatives. So, remember to cultivate confidence in yourself as you navigate the world of blockchain. Your belief in yourself can truly make a difference in your success. Thanks for watching, and stay confident in your blockchain journey. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep believing in yourself and your abilities. The sky's the limit.
Hey there, fellow VR enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to reveal the next big growth area in virtual reality that's going to revolutionize the way we experience the digital world. One major development in the VR industry is the rise of virtual education and training. With the ability to create realistic simulations and interactive learning experiences, students and professionals can now access high-quality education from anywhere in the world. Another exciting growth area in VR is the integration of social experiences. Virtual reality platforms are now offering more opportunities for users to connect with each other in immersive environments, allowing for virtual meetups, concerts, and even virtual travel experiences. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in virtual reality, the future looks bright for this rapidly growing industry. So grab your headset and get ready to experience the next big wave of innovation in VR. Uplifting ending sentence. The possibilities are endless in this exciting new frontier of virtual reality.